In Devices FAQ.com you will find information on how to take screenshots, record screen on mobile devices, tablets, smartwatches, computers and web pages. You can also get step-by-step help to obtain the IMEI code, locate a device, reset, format, update and many more functions of smartphones, smartwatches, tablets and devices that you may not have known. About. What is a screenshot? A screenshot is an image of the screen that the user is viewing on a mobile phone, tablet, computer, smartwatch or web page. Also called screen capture or print screen, is useful to teach another person what is being seen on the device. For example, when a computer technician needs to see what error appears on the computer and performing a certain action. It is also widely used in smartphones to get an image of a conversation on WhatsApp, Instagram or Facebook and be able to send it to a contact. At other times it is necessary to take a picture of the screen to a web page or application to have it as a reminder or to save the prices of an offer found on the internet. In addition to a still picture, it is also possible to make a video recording or screen recording of the screen on phones, tablets and computers. If you want to find a way to do it on a mobile phone, tablet or smartwatch, use the search engine to find your device. If you want to do it on a computer, we give you instructions on how to do it on Windows, Linux, Mac, Chrome, Internet Explorer and Firefox. Discover an improved viewing experience on YouTube with our redesigned desktop watch page. How to use. Open YouTube in your web browser. You'll discover a new way to watch videos that not only makes it easier to find related content but also enhances your ability to engage with comments. Only available on desktop web. We want to know your thoughts about YouTube and other Google products so we can keep improving them. Sign up to give feedback. If a study is a good fit for your profile, you'll receive a follow-up questionnaire and details about what the study involves, including next steps and location. After completing the study, you will get a gift card as a thank you for your time. Use the wonder of the world after more time. If you're waiting new features, that is probably at this time. Available on July 8, 2024 at 1:30 p.m. Thank you.